Hi, I am Madam Bisaranjita. Welcome to my channel Good to Teach. Today we will gain some knowledge relating NCC A certificate written exam. In previous video, we will discuss about paper 1 which related with drill. Today we will learn about weapon training which is the paper 2 section of our written exam. Dear students, please watch the video till end. After watching my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Let's get started. The first question of weapon training. Tell me the names of some weapons of the artillery of the Indian Army. Answer is Bofors, Haubitz, FS-77, Dhanush, Hautiger, Pinnack or MBRL. Second question is what is the full form of INSAS? That means Indian Small Arms System. Next question. What is S-400 and which nation is selling it to India? S-400 is the air defense system to be procured from Russia. It has a range of 400 kilometers and is one of the best air defense system in the world. Next question is tell me the names of the helicopters used by the aviation corps of the Indian Army. Answer is HAL Cheetah, HAL Chetak, HAL Rudra, HAL Dhruva. Next question. What is the difference between the armed and artillery? Armed corps consist of armed tanks and armed vehicles used for supporting infantry, while artillery gives the fire cover to the infantry and armed road. It stands as a distance from the actual action site of the infantry and neutralize the infantry and neutralizes the threat in the way of infantry using missiles. Next question. What is ICBM? ICBM means Intercontinental Ballistic Missiles. Intercontinental ballistic missiles are the guided cruise missiles with a range of 5,500 km or more. They can be used as nuclear weapons. Next question. Tell me something about Agni missiles. Agni missiles are the group of missiles with a range of medium to intercontinental specifications. Next question is tell me names of engineering and support weapons of the Indian Army. The answer is VFJ Light Recovery Vehicle, Yukti Ratha Light Recovery Vehicles, MAT Ground Surfacing CL-70, Arm Road Vehicle Tracked Light Repair, WZT-2, WZT-3M. Next question is name 5 tanks used by the Indian Army. The name of the tanks are Arjun, T-90, T-72, Vijayant, BMP. Next question is which vehicle is used by the mechanized infantry? Answer is BMP tanks. Next question is what type of missile is Naga? It is an anti-tank missile. Next question. Name some anti-tank missiles used by the Indian Army? One is Naga and Helena. Another is Spike. Another is Milan. Next question is, tell me something about BrahMos missile. BrahMos missile is a supersonic cruise missile that is produced by a joint venture of Russian Federation's NPO Machinosteria and India's DRDO. It was named after the Brahmaputra of India and the Moskva of Russia. It has 5 variants, which are cruise missile, air-launched cruise missile, anti-ship missile, land attack missile, surface-to-surface missile. It has an operational range of 450 km and sailing of 14 km. The next question is, name some ballistic and cruise missile used by India. BrahMos and Nirbhaya are cruise missiles. Prithvi, Agni, AAD are ballistic missiles. What are UAVs? Unnamed aerial vehicles are the pilotless aircraft which are remotely operated by distant human sources. These can be used for surveillance and localization and mapping, air defense and combat roles. Next question is, name some UAVs used by India. IAI Heron, DRDO Nishant, IAI Searcher, SAI Harpy. Which UAV is indigenously produced by India and is being used by the Indian Army? Answer is Rustam UAV. Which nation produced BrahMos in a joint venture with India? Answer always Russia. Name the indigenously produced tank by India. Answer is Arjun main battle tank. Tell me something about INSAS. INSAS is a weapon with 2 variants of an assault rifle and light machine gun manufactured in Ardance Factory, Tiruchirappalli. It is a rifle used by the Indian Armed Forces having a fire rate of 600 to 650 rounds per minute with a muzzle velocity of 900 meters per second. Following some problems and functional issues, the armed forces are tracking a new weapon to replace it. Next question is, Defense Ministry of India approved which fighter aircraft from Russia in 2020-21? Answer is Defense Ministry approves purchase of 33 new fighter jets including 21 MiG-29 and 12 Sukhoi-30 from Russia in 2020-21. The last question is, in which date India received Rafale from France? The first batch of 5 Rafale jets arrived in India on July 29, 2020. Nearly 4 years after, India signed an intergovernmental agreement with France to procure 36 of aircraft at the cost of Rs 59,000 crores. This is all about for today video. Thank you. Jai Hind.